Hey, how's it going everyone? Thank you for clicking on the video. These are just some things I recorded a year ago on our trip to El Salvador. This is part 1, hope you enjoy it. Hey, what's up? This is Gerald here, and I'm currently in El Salvador. And where exactly? I'm in Ataco. This is one of the towns in El Salvador, in Ruta de las Flores, which is a series of touristic towns that are throughout the country. And right here, you know, this mural, very interesting considering how they have the traditional dresses. In addition to the dresses, this mural features mythological elements including the devil Lucifer and a child wearing a large sombrero. Legend has it that La Ciguanaba, moon goddess, had a forbidden affair with Lucifer. She's the one with the top off, resulting in a cursed child with a forever childlike appearance and backward feet. He's known to be a troublemaker and flirts with the girls by throwing rocks and whistling at a distance. His name is Ziplines. Let's have a look around and let's have some fun. So right now we're going to the park. This is the town's central park, Atacos Central Park, and well, I mean, it's pretty empty right now. It's currently morning, so there's not a lot of people, but they have this little thing you can take your pictures in, and all this other stuff. Is your typical central park in the Latin American town. Nothing mind-blowing, but it's very nice here. Very nice here. And they have this gazebo, and there's that beautiful lady there. My wife, ladies and gentlemen. And 2 street dogs. Again, very common in Latin America. But yeah, we're here having a stroll. We're in this particular church. It's called Immaculate Conception of Maria, Inmaculada Concepción de María. And well, the interesting fact about this church is that it was reconstructed. So it started its construction at the beginning of the 1900s. However, around 2001, it was completely destroyed by an earthquake. Not completely, right? But yeah, it had its faults, and they reconstructed this. Pretty nice considering that it's a reconstruction. Here we have the shops. This is just some artisanal clothes they have here. And what you see here is clothes made with indigo. Next, we went to La Casa de los Telares. It's a textile workshop where they weave different types of textiles using traditional looms. Right now, I'm right next to some mannequins or something of the sort. And again, these 2 mannequins are La Ciguanaba and Ziplines. I thought these mannequins were pretty cool. La Casa de los Telares was pretty cool. They have wooden sculptures. They also have very original artisanal artwork. It's a great place to buy a souvenir. Overall, I was lacking time. I didn't look further, but I know there's more to this place. I do recommend it. After our quick tour in Ataco, we decided to go to our next destination in Apaneca, El Salvador. a small town close to Ataco, but not specifically to the town, but to Albania. It's a restaurant with Central America's largest maze and with the best extreme games in El Salvador. And I definitely do recommend going to Ataco. There's a lot of different things we didn't do. It's a great place to visit. Alright everyone, so I'm at a place called Albania. This is a recreational, or I don't know what to call it, but it's I honestly did not know what this place was, but they host different types of extreme games or things like that, but there's something in particular that is very worthwhile. The swing here. Pretty cool swing. Next, we went to the Labyrinth. All I gotta say is, if you like a good workout, go to the Labyrinth. And finally, we have reached the center point of the labyrinth. And what a nice view. Whew. Now, we ring the bell. They're riding bicycles through a zip line. Awesome. And now we find our way out again. Oh man. This is a good workout. This is a good stairs workout, climbing workout, whatever you want to call it. This is tiring. Okay, that's it. So after going through the stairs labyrinth, we went to the restaurant. We got some horchata, also some nachos. Yeah, we kind of freshened it up. Unfortunately, I don't have prices on the restaurant, but I'll leave the restaurant website on the description if you're interested. They have a little bit of everything. Right now we're gonna get on a surfboard and go from here all the way to that orange point down there. Alright, it's my turn now. Time to get on the surfboard.
¿Y no dijo que no tenían miedo?
They have this.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life?
And now I'm gonna get on something else, a swing, a Freefall swing. So we'll see what that is.
Listen out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. You've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Can you let go? Let go of it all tonight. Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.
Alright, thank you very much for watching. This is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you again on another one.